This is our new Hot Wheels track, and I'm just thinking we need a bit of a test race. Need a car to test it out with. I'm not sure what cars we should use, but I think, being me, it's going to be a Volvo. This is a Volvo 850 Estate, as you can see. Get that out of the packet. There he is. We'll plonk him on the start line up there. And what are we going to race that against? Well, I think the only real thing you can race a Volvo 850 against is probably another Volvo 850. So we'll get this one out of the packet. We'll put him in pole position there. Now I'm thinking we can probably get two more cars in there. I'm not sure. I think probably the best thing to race a Volvo 850 against is another Volvo 850. So we'll get this one out of the packet. So we put him up there behind the red Volvo 850, and that leaves us one car slot left. What do you think we should put in there? What do we got? We got Lightning McQueen, we got Catwoman, we got a Torino, we got an Evo, or I've also got another Volvo 850. So we'll just unwrap this one, plonk him up on the grid next behind the yellow one, and so tell me, which Volvo do you think is going to win? So here's the first race in the Volvo 850 Championship. We've got yellow inside, red outside, blue inside rear, and Rickard Rydell in the last place. And it looks like yellow's going to take the lead into the first corner, but look at blue. Look at blue coming up the inside of the red Volvo. And no, he hasn't done it. Red's pushed yellow through for the win. It's going to be 3 points to yellow, 2 points to red, 1 point to blue. And where is Rickard Rydell? Oh dear. Oh. So we're starting this one with red on the inside, yellow on the outside, and Rickard Rydell inside rear, and the blue car on the outside rear. Let's see what happens. As you'll remember, yellow won last time, red in second, and it looks like yellow's off to a good start on the outside here. Yes, he is. He's going through to the lead. Red's now fighting from the blue car, and yellow stacked it. Yellow stacked it. Red's pushing him in the road. Red's going by. Red's gone by. Red's taken the win there from the yellow car. Blue third. Rickard Rydell, what are you playing at, Mike? So we're starting Rickard Rydell Volvo on the inside this time. He's gone the inside of the blue car. We've got the red and yellow coming up the rear, but Rickard Rydell's taken the lead. He's nearly, he's completely sideways. Blue's spun him round, and red Volvo's lost it. Red Volvo's crashed on the turn. Yellow's going to push him to the line. It's going to be Rickard Rydell from the blue Volvo and the red Volvo. Race Volvos to the fore, blue on the inside, Rickard Rydell on the outside, and yellow and red in behind. And it's blue leading into the first turn, and yellow's sticking it up the inside of Rickard Rydell, and as he passed, he's got a nose in front, he can't quite get there. He's trying to go around the outside, he's got him at the line. Blue car wins it, yellow. Rickard Rydell came last in that one, giving him a total of 4 points and putting him last in the championship. The red Volvo managed to get 6 points, and that puts him third in the championship. But with yellow's sneaky overtake there, that puts him on 7 points, equal with the blue Volvo. We're going to have a race off to see who's best. So yellow's going to start inside this time. Blue Volvo's got the advantage, but yellow's still there. Yellow's next to him all the way round. Bit of a push and a shove, and yellow takes the lead. Yellow's going to win this one. Nothing blue can do there. So this is going to be best of three. Let's see what happens when we put blue on the inside. Off they go. Blue taking an early lead. Yellow staying with him. No, yellow can't get there. This one's all blues. Or is it? Yellow's given him a shove and pushed him off. Yellow's pushed him off. Yellow's going to take the win. Foul play, but that's what you get for messing with yellow. Let's take a look at the super slow motion replay here. We can see this straight out of Matt Neal's textbook. He's hit him up the back, turned him round, and now he's going to barrel roll down to the centre. Goes out of shot there because I can't hold a camera properly. But yellow goes through as the blue Volvo rolls down to the centre green. Foul play by yellow, foul play, but a win is a win. So there you have it. Yellow is the champion. I do hope you've enjoyed this, because I doubt very much I can be asked to ever do it again. The Volvos we used for the racing and other Volvos are all available in our Hot Wheels shop. on my TikTok account. Check it out now.